Hello world, here's Jacob Stravinsky, investment fund trader and financial analyst, and let's start our live trading session. So you can see two of trades were successfully won, and the market is fighting for the downtrend. You can see such a good moment and nice moment for trading when there is a huge wave like this one. So we have a stable downtrend, and we can be definitely sure that after these kind of moves there will be a downtrend continuing. So this is why we are trading without any risk, especially in these kind of moments. So you can see the levels, several levels were broken, and when it goes a little bit higher after this kind of a downtrend, we should really start trading. And the same right in here. So you can see the market price is falling, and what we need to do, let's make it bigger. What we need to do, we need to wait for some higher positions. Right in here, yes, we got the profit with this particular situation. So one more profitable trade we have in here, and waiting for the price to go a little bit higher to open one more trade. And here we go. Another trade was opened, waiting for the downtrend to continue, because it's definitely kind of a great moment for trading. Waiting for the trade to expire, and we can be definitely sure that the market will continue going down for the downtrend. Really nice moment. After a huge fall, we continue trading according to the trend. So couple of seconds more, and yes, 3 of 3 trades were successfully won. Great result. And once again, if you have any questions about this strategy or any other strategies, if you want to get stable results in trading, please give me the message. The links for my Facebook and Instagram are below. I will be happy to answer any of your questions in person.